don't do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be reviewing the Butta Unit 2. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is how the hair looks, and I have it in the color T4 Peach. I know I'm late, but I saw this color and it was so beautiful, guys. I had to get my hands on it. This is their stock card, guys, and I have the color the model is wearing, and you can see they have other colors.
When I started this road, I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy.
The cap has two combs on either side, a comb at the back and the adjustable strap at the back. And I'll go ahead and put the wig on and customize the unit.
Much longer, and looking back on years, I see time and faith is carrying me through mountains high, valleys low. I'm finishing my journey on the long road.
The wig is definitely big and friendly. I had to take the unit off and adjust the strap at the back. Look how natural the parting space is. I like to comb the hair towards the back before I cut the lace, and as I can see, guys, this hair do sheds a lot.
When I started the climb, it's crazy how the time flies by.
Now I'll take my scissors and remove the lace.
Much longer, and yes, I am wiser now, but fear can still knock me down. All of it makes me better. I'm getting myself together, and looking back on years I see.
I'll be using the Got2b glue to lay the lace.
Valley's low. I'm finishing my journey on the long road. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up.
What I do, guys, I put the Got2b glue on this side, and as soon as I finish cutting the lace from the other side, I'll go ahead and lay the lace.
I see the finish line. Keep your eyes on the prize, and there in the morning it will be your time. Oh, keep your head to the sky, and then one of these mornings you'll shine. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up. I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. Every day I trust. I'm counting on God to do the rest. 'Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I gotta keep my eyes on the prize.
I'll go ahead and make some teenager hair, guys. No, this is not baby hair today, guys.
To the sky, to the sky, to the sky, to the sky. And one of these mornings you'll shine, you'll shine. I gotta keep my eyes on the prize, and in the morning it'll be your time. Keep your head to the sky, to the sky, to the sky. And one of these mornings you'll shine, you'll shine. I gotta take the long road this
I
time.
am adding the
I'm never giving
Maybelline
up,
Fit
I
Me
will
powder to the
climb
parting
every
space as well as the
mountain,
front of
but
the
people
lace.
don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started this road. I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy, but life has a way of teaching.
I'll use the wide tooth comb to style the unit. Let's see how it goes. And I'll go in with the Kira Care walk stick to get rid of the flyaways. And this unit has lots of flyaways.
Time and faith is carrying me through mountains high, valleys low. I'm finishing my journey on the long road. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. And every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started the climb. It's crazy how the time flies by. One road seemed much shorter, I took the one much longer. And yes, I am wiser now, but fear can still knock me down. All of it makes me better. I'm getting myself together, and looking back on years I see time and faith has carried me through mountains high, valleys low. I'm finishing my journey on the long road. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. Every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. Keep your eyes on the prize, and there in the morning it will be your time. Oh, keep your head to the sky, and then one of these.
This is definitely a gorgeous unit. I love the layering of the unit. I love the color. I love how natural the parting space and the hairline looks. The only con of this unit, it sheds a lot, it tangles a little, and it has a lot of frizz, but that doesn't take away from the unit. Maybe if I had it in a 1B or another color, I wouldn't have that much frizz. But guys, thank you all for watching, and if you're interested in this unit, the link will be in the description down below. Remember guys, leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
You'll shine. Gotta keep my eyes on the prize, and in the morning it'll be your time. Keep your head to the sky, and one of these mornings you'll shine. You'll shine.